What's up everyone? Today, in this video, I'll teach you how you can reset your Canon 500D, 600D, 700D, or any upper or lower model that you might have. So, if you're running through some trouble and don't know how to fix it, then resetting your DSLR camera will help you to solve any problem that might occur. Now to reset your camera, first of all, press the menu button. Now go to the right side before the star icon. Now tap to scroll down to clear setting and press set. Now first choose the clear all camera setting and press set. Now choose OK. After that, scroll down to clear all custom function. Now once again press set. Click OK. After this, your Canon camera will be reset and your problem will be solved. That's how you can reset your Canon DSLR camera. Thanks for watching.